Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disconnect a server in Proton VPN on our iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Proton VPN app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, make sure you are currently connected to a server. When you are connected, you will see a green connected indicator and the server name right below. There is a disconnect button. Simply tap the disconnect button. Proton VPN will stop routing your internet traffic through that server. The status will change from connected to not connected. Some versions may ask for a confirmation. Tap yes or OK to confirm. Once done, your internet traffic is no longer be going through the VPN server. If you want to connect a different server, just tap new country or server from the list and tap connect. Your iPhone will now use a new server. After disconnecting, you can check that your VPN is off by seeing that the VPN icon at the top of your screen is gone. You are now browsing normally without Proton VPN. And that's it. Disconnecting a VPN server on your iPhone is quick and simple. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.